Yo, welcome back to another video. Appreciate y'all rocking with me as always. Today we are going to talk about some Fenty skin right here. I didn't buy the whole collection. I just bought the Fat Water Toner / Serum. If y'all can see, and that light is kind of bright. There we go. Yeah, so I got the Fat Water Toner Serum. Let's talk about it. So this will be a first impression video, just kind of share my initial thoughts. And I think after using it for the first time, I'm not super disappointed, but I'm not really impressed either. I'm kind of just like, okay, it's cool. Um, it left my face still looking good. I was still bright, still had my glow. It still looked like I was moisturized after I put it on, but my face felt very weird, very tight, I don't want to use the word dry because it wasn't dry, but just very tight feeling. And the only way I can describe it is it felt how my face used to feel before I knew any better. And I was using like Thayer's Witch Hazel, Thayer's toner, rose water toner, whatever, right? When I was using Thayer's and I put that on my face and I thought that was just kind of the norm. This is how that makes my face feel. Kind of like, it's just tight. That's the only way I can really describe it. So I'm kind of torn because I look good when I put it on and it does what it's supposed to do, but it also, it doesn't feel that good, right? I'm used to feeling like, feeling moisturized and soft and supple and like all of that. And it's more so just like, I was like, damn, let me put a second layer on just to make sure I'm not tripping. I put a second layer on just to see if it would help out. And I was just like, nah. So, and then when I checked the ingredient list again, of course, I was like, the second ingredient is witch hazel, which makes sense. So I would say if you're sensitive to witch hazel doesn't really do what you want it to do, you probably won't have the best results with this. If you use witch hazel and that works for you, I would say give this a go. It's probably on point for you. If that's what you're used to and it's better, check it out. Another thing I want to touch on real quick too, on the fragrance standpoint, a lot of people have been talking about the fragrance inside the products, whether it be the smell bothering them or the actual fragrance messing up their skin. To me, I barely smell anything inside the toner. I think it just smells like witch hazel. So whatever added fragrance is in here, I can't really tell. Doesn't bother me any, but again, if you're super sensitive, maybe something to look out for. But I don't smell anything. The consistency is pretty cool. I think it is actually like a perfect blend of a toner and a serum. A lot of my toners are pretty much like water, and a lot of the serums are a little bit thicker, creamier and whatnot. I think this is perfect blend. If I put it on, it'll run down my hand, but it's still pretty thick, right? So I don't know. That's my initial thought. I think it's okay. I think it's cool. I'm not pressed over it. If I had other options at the same time, I probably wouldn't pick this one first. Because even though, I still look good with it, it doesn't feel the best. So that's just my first opinion. I'm going to give it a go tonight, give it a go tomorrow, maybe a couple more days and just see how I feel. But I honestly think for me, it's the witch hazel in it doesn't leave my skin feeling how I want it to feel, even though I look good. So I don't know. I'll let you know, but first impression, it's all right. It's all right. Appreciate y'all. Peace.